Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time to watch my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. So for more people that be looking for a video like this, so you can share with your homies, your brothers, you understand, your sisters, so they can learn about Forex. So today we are going to talk about what you should know before starting your Forex journey. You know, most of you have the desire to start Forex, but you don't know what to do. So today we are going to talk about what you should know before you start your Forex journey. But before we continue with this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel so that you can see the next video I'm going to post for more educational purpose. Okay, let's go. So one of the important things that you need to know before you start your Forex journey, you need to understand that Forex is not a quick money making. You understand? Forex is not a quick money making. I hope you get that. So many people think that Forex will make them rich in 1 week. Many people think that Forex will make them rich in 1 week. Bro, it's not possible. You cannot get rich in 1 week with Forex. You understand? So you need to understand it. So the truth about Forex is a skill business. It's not gambling. You understand? Forex is not gambling. It's a skill. So you need to have this in mind, that it takes time, practice, discipline, and risk control. So these are the things that you need to know. Time. You need to practice. You need to be disciplined. And you need to know how to manage your risk. You understand? But the second thing that you need to know before you start your Forex journey is learn before using real money. This is the most important thing. Some people just want to, jump into the market, in their first approach. You understand? They don't learn. Bro, you need to learn before you jump into the market. Because if you don't learn, the market will humble you. Guy, trust. So you need to learn first. So how are you going to learn? You need to start with a demo account. You understand? You need to start with a demo account. Understand candlesticks. Candlestick movements is very important. You need to understand how these candlesticks works. You understand? And know your support and resistance. You need to know your support and resistance. You need to know your lot size and leverages. This is the reason why many people blow their accounts. You understand? Because of the way they set their lot size and also their leverage. You understand? If you have a small account, then you set a high leverage, bro. Definitely you blow your account. If you have a small account, then you go and put a bigger lot size, bro, you blow your account. So these are the important things that you need to know before you start your Forex trading while learning. So now we are going to talk about risk management in Forex. You understand? Because risk management is everything. You understand? Before you trade, know these things. Never risk more than 1 to 3% per trade. Never risk more than 1 to 3% per trade. Secondly, always use stop loss. Don't you ever trade without putting your stop loss. This is the reason why people blow their accounts. You understand? And don't overtrade. Overtrading in the sense, bro, you have a small account. Then you go and put how many lot size, or maybe you place 5 or 6 trade in a small account, bro. The moment the trade go against you, bam, your account is gone. And another thing again you need to know is don't revenge trade. This is very important. Don't revenge. Okay, if you place a trade, you lose. You understand? Just let it go, or maybe you can just close your phone, or maybe close your laptop, take a walk. You understand? Don't trade again. You understand? Maybe if after you lose a trade, then you decided to follow your money. You want to revenge because they have taken your money. Bro, if you do like that, you will keep chasing your money until you blow your account. You understand? So when you lose a trade, maybe for the first time, second time, stop. Don't trade again. Take a walk and wait for a while before you continue to trade. You understand? The fourth thing you need to know before you start your Forex journey is understanding leverage. So now we are going to discuss about leverage. You understand? Leverage can increase profits, and also leverage can increase losses. So high leverage on a small account like $10 is very risky. Don't do it. Don't do like that. So start small and protect your capital. Start small and protect your capital. Don't start with big leverage in a small account. You will blow it. The fifth thing that you need to know before you start your Forex trading is choose a trusted broker. And you know, there are many brokers out there, okay, but I want you to know that not all brokers are brokers. Some brokers are scammers, you understand? So you need to choose trusted brokers that you know that these people, they will not run away with your money, okay? So how can you know that this broker is trusted? The first thing is that broker is regulated. Website. Secondly, use the real website of that particular broker. You understand? So at the end of the video, you can check below my link. There is a broker website I have placed there, so you can use that broker so that you can create an account with that particular broker. So that particular broker is one of the most popular broker in Africa. You understand? So you can use that broker and also create your account with that particular broker. You need to know that the broker has good withdrawal system. You know, everybody wants to withdraw. You cannot make profit at the end of the day when you withdraw your money. You know, you don't receive it. You feel bad. You understand? So you make sure that this broker has a good withdrawal system that is very fast. Or maybe within 2 to 3 days you can receive your money. Okay, and also you need to choose a broker that has a transparent spread. You understand? So, and these are some of the things that you should take note of before choosing a broker. You understand? And the sixth thing that you need to know before you start your trading journey is have a trading plan. Have a trading plan. Before placing a trade, ask yourself these questions. You understand? Why am I entering? You need to know why are you entering. You need to know where is my stop loss. You need to know where is your stop loss before you place a trade. You need to know where is my take profit. You understand? Know where is your take profit, and you also need to know what is my risk to reward ratios. What is your risk? You understand? At the end of the day, if your risk is too high, then your account is small. You need to know, so that if the trade go against you, you cannot lose all your money. And so the number 17 that you need to know before you start your Forex trading is control your emotions. You need to control your emotions. You know, many people there are scared. You can see the trade is going, you understand, the right time that you should enter, you are scared to enter until you wait before the candle light reaches its resistance point. Then you enter. At the end of the day, bro, you will blow your account. So don't be scared. You need to have self-control and also have the power to control your emotions. You understand? So in controlling your emotion, the biggest enemy in Forex is fear. You understand? If you are scared, bro, you cannot make money in Forex. So, and secondly, greed. Greed in the sense, you know, after making a lot of profits, instead of you closing your trade, you understand, you relax. You say, okay, let me wait. Bro, you keep relaxed so until that trade go against you, and before you know, bam, your money is gone, bro. Your money is gone. So don't be greedy. If you start making money, okay, that is more than the one that you deposited, bro. Close that trade. Don't say, okay, I need to make multiple profits on that particular trade. You be confident until you blow your account. So greed is one of the enemy in forex trading, and another enemy of forex here is impatience. Some people are impatient. The moment the trade start going your way, you close it. Maybe you have a let me say $50 account that you start making like $5, $10. You close it. Maybe that particular trade will have give you more than $50 or $70, but because of impatience, you close it earlier. You understand? So you have to be patient and monitor it and know your limit where you need to close your profit. You understand? Don't say until you make a lot of money. You understand? Before the trade go against you. So another thing again you need to know before you start your forex joining is start with small capital. Many people came into the forex trade in the forex with big capital, having the mindset that I want to come and make it very fast in 1 week or 2 months. So I want to see the changes. People must know that yes, I'm a forex trader, bro. It doesn't have to be like that, okay? No, don't do like that, bro. Start with a small account, even though you have a lot of money. You understand? Start with small accounts. Start with $10, $20, or $30. You understand? So that you will know your strength, you know your limit, you know how far you have grown in the forex game before you start deposit a lot of money. After you start seeing profit, after you notice that you have been making profits, okay? That's the time you start depositing a lot of money, like $500, 1,000. You understand? But if you are not making profits, bro, don't start deposit high amount of money. Start with smaller accounts like $10. And also, when you start with smaller account, make sure that these are the follow pairs that you should use. You understand? If you have a small account of $10, don't go and use gold, bro. If you use gold, if you trade with gold, your money, they will blow your account. You understand? So make sure you use GBP USD or EUR USD. You understand? And also you trade with small time frame. Practice every day. You understand? Using demo, you can practice. And also, if you are using real account, you have to be consistent. That's how you can make money, because you need to be consistent. The more you are consistent, the more you know how the market works. You understand? So we go to the 9th thing that you need to know before you start your forex joining. So we move on to the 9th step that you need to know before you start your forex joining. The number 9 thing that you need to know before you start your forex joining, you need to understand that losses are normal. Don't expect you to win all the trade all the time, bro. It doesn't work like that too. So when you lose, you need to understand that it is normal, because in forex you can lose and you can win. So when you win, you celebrate. When you lose, patience. You understand? Don't feel too bad that, I'm not lucky. Why am I not making money? Why this happened to me? It's not like that, bro. You understand? So you need to have it in your mind that you can lose. It's normal. You can win. Definitely it's normal. So even professional traders lose trade. So there is no perfection in it. You understand? Though they have like basic skills that normally helps them, but them too, they will lose trade. So if you lose trade, don't feel so bad for yourself. Understand? Because professional traders do lose trade as well. So the goal is not to win every trade. Understand that? The goal is not to win every trade. The goal is win more than you lost. Win more than you lost. So meaning your winning should be higher than your loss. That's the goal. Definitely. And also make sure that you protect your capital. Don't allow your capital to go. You understand? Don't allow your capital. This is more important. So, and these are the things that you need to know before you start your forex journey. So if you find this video helpful as a beginner, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. This is how I will appreciate. This is how I feel appreciated for what you have learned from me today. Thank you very much, and see you next time.